Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where we help you make the most out of your tech. In today's video, we are going over 10 Samsung Galaxy A54 5G customizations that you can try to enhance your phone experience. From saving battery to customizing your navigation and camera, these tips will make your Samsung phone feel like it was designed just for you. Let's dive in. Here's an overview of what we will cover in Part 1. 1. Display settings customization. 2. Edge panel customization. 3. Navigation bar settings. 4. Quick settings customization. 5. Side key customization. 6. Camera settings. 7. Samsung Labs features. 8. Gestures and motion settings. 9. Quick access features. 10. Bonus: Dolby Atmos. Let's begin. Step 1. Display settings. Let's start by making your display look and feel just right. Activate dark mode. Go to Settings, Display. Enable dark mode. This saves battery on AMOLED displays. Turn on adaptive brightness. Stay in the display settings. Enable adaptive brightness to let the phone adjust brightness based on your surroundings. Set motion smoothness to 120 Hz. Go to Settings, Display, Motion Smoothness. Choose Adaptive for smooth scrolling. Adjust Screen Timeout. Go to Settings, Display, Screen Timeout. Set it to 2 minutes for longer screen usage before it dims. Display settings are done. Now let's move on to the edge panels. Step 2. Customize edge panels. Edge panels are a great way to access apps and tools quickly. Enable and customize edge panels. Go to Settings, Display, Edge Panels. Add panels like Smart Select for screenshots or Rectangle to select a specific area for screenshots. Personalize Edge Handle. Open Edge Panels, tap Handle Settings, and adjust transparency, size, and position. Lock the handle in place if desired. Now that's an efficient setup. Let's move on to navigation. Step 3. Navigation bar settings. You can make your phone even more streamlined by using gestures instead of the navigation bar. Switch to gestures. Go to Settings, Display, Navigation bar. Select full screen gestures to replace the navigation bar with swipes for a cleaner interface. Gesture-based navigation makes your screen feel more immersive. Let's look at your quick settings next. Step 4. Quick settings customization. Quick settings are essential for fast access to key features. Let's personalize them. Always show brightness control. Pull down the notification shade. Tap 3 dots, top right. Quick panel layout. Select Show Always for instant access for brightness control. Enable device control and media output. Quick settings. Enable device control for managing connected devices like TVs. Enable media output for controlling where the sound is played. Example, Bluetooth speakers or your car. Your quick settings are now faster and more useful. Let us adjust your side key. Step number 5. Side key customization. Make your side key work smarter and faster. Change the side key action. Swipe down twice to open the quick settings. Go to Power Key Settings. Set the side key to Power Off menu for quicker access to restart or turn off your phone. This makes accessing power options a breeze. Now let's move to camera settings. Step 6. Camera settings. Let's optimize your camera for better quality photos and fun features. Set front camera to 32 megapixel. Open the camera app. Switch to 32MP mode for better quality selfies. Activate Fun mode. In the camera app, go to the More section. Enable Fun for filters similar to Snapchat. Switch to 50MP mode for detailed shots. For high-quality photos, set the rear camera to 50MP. Keep in mind that zoom features will be disabled in this mode. The camera is ready. Now let's look at Samsung Labs features. Step 7. Samsung Labs features. Samsung Labs give you access to cool multitasking features. Enable pop-up view and split screen. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, Labs. Enable swipe for pop-up view and swipe for split screen to multitask easily. Now multitasking is a breeze. Let us check out some gestures and motion settings next. Step 8. Gestures and motion settings. Let's make your phone respond to your movements. Enable lift to wake. Go to Settings, Motions and Gestures. Turn off lift to wake so your phone wakes up when you pick it up. Activate Game Launcher. In Settings, Advanced Features, enable Game Launcher to organize and optimize games. Gestures are set up. Let's move on to Quick Access Features. Step 9. Quick Access Features. These features will make your phone even easier to use. Add Screenshot and Quick Share to Quick Settings. Pull down the notification shade. Tap the pencil icon to edit Quick Settings. Add Screenshot and Quick Share for easy access. Quick Access features are now convenient. Let's wrap up with a bonus feature. Step number 10. Bonus. Dolby Atmos. Sound is a huge part of the phone experience. Let's improve it. Activate Dolby Atmos. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibration. Advanced Sound Settings. Enable Dolby Atmos for better sound quality, especially when using headphones or speakers. And there you have it. You have just unlocked 10 awesome Samsung customizations to make your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G even more powerful. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will continue personalizing your device with even more cool features. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more awesome tech tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you into the next one, where we will continue exploring more ways to upgrade your tech game. Until then, stay safe, my friends. Bye for now.